really excited about the contract that I signed with Kawasaki for 2 years now. Since I signed with them, I feel really comfortable on the bike. I'm excited for the changement now with a new team and then see what we can do.
This is a great opportunity for me. It's nice to come into a team and that environment already be good. You don't need to really learn everyone, and I've seen all these guys so much, so this for me is the most incredible opportunity and I want to go and give it 100%.
Represent Kawasaki at the MXGP World Championship is a dream come true for us, and we are very honored. We're gonna work hard and the goal is to make it successful.